My name is Shawn Walchef, owner of Cali Comfort Barbecue in Spring Valley, just outside of San Diego County. We've been open for 12 years. We want to talk to you about the power of Yelp, the Yelp business app. 12 years running a full-service barbecue restaurant and sports bar. We opened in 2008, which is 1 year after the first iPhone came out. We opened in a part of town that was very difficult for us to generate business. Everyone said it wouldn't work. Location. This was the worst location. What we knew early on was that if we didn't use the internet to our advantage, if we didn't use all the free tools that were available, we wouldn't be able to get people to come into our restaurant. Yelp, to be honest, when we first started, when we got a great Yelp review, it was the best thing in the world. You know, getting a great Yelp review, talking about your service, talking about how great the barbecue was, it was something that it was a euphoria. It was a validation of everything that we did right as a restaurant. Eric, my general manager, he's been with us since day one. Every single Yelp review we've taken personally. You get those Yelp reviews where somebody sounds like they never even came into the restaurant, and it was a one-star review, which hurt us. So early on, I remember there was a friction with us saying, you know, should we really invest our time and money with this platform if we don't know if the customer exists or doesn't exist? I mean, do you remember those early days and those reviews that we got?
Yeah, I mean, it's definitely one of those things where you just want to fight the review and get mad at the person that does or doesn't exist or never even came in or maybe did come in.
I mean, one of the things that we realized, I think there was a point, you know, I don't know, maybe 4 years into running the restaurant that we were going to really just embrace digital, embrace social. Whether someone wrote a good review or a bad review, we were going to take it objectively and not subjectively. So we were going to look at it like looking in a mirror. And sometimes it's not what you want to see, but operationally, if there were nuggets of gold in there that allowed us to change, and really a lot of some of the negative reviews that we got, if we saw it in a second review, or if we saw it in multiple reviews, operationally, Eric and I would get together with our management team and say, well, maybe the product isn't as good as we thought it was. Maybe we should make some changes. And I remember, you know, there's been some significant times where that feedback from a specific Yelp review has helped us really improve our business.
It has, yeah. A lot of people don't complain. They just either don't come back or just don't say anything and live with something that was wrong. So when you get a bad review, it's definitely not the first time that thing happened, because most people don't let you know about a poor experience. So we like to always take every review with a grain of salt and investigate if there is an issue and actively try to fix it, and also respond to the review, which I think is probably the biggest thing, is other people see your response to the negative experience, which I think is probably the most helpful thing with.
There's a good Yelper. He was a Yelper. He's a 5-star Yelp review right there. That's a live 5-star Yelp review. Drive-by Yelping.
Yeah.
The relationship with our technology partners, especially an SEO partner like Yelp that allows a business owner to claim their business on Yelp. I mean, before it was desktop back when we started, they invested heavily on the mobile-first business owner app, which allows me to go in, update our hours, let them know what specials are happening, let them know when we're having a barbecue festival, respond to reviews. Yelp Connect is a new feature that they rolled out during coronavirus, which has been a very powerful tool because it helps us directly target anybody that's interacted with our business. So we have 13,000 followers on Yelp Connect, which is essentially anybody that's bookmarked our business, anyone that's reviewed our business. It's become more powerful than Instagram, which says a lot because of the amount of time that we spend on Instagram, on Facebook, on Twitter. Yelp has been something it's so incredible to see how much the analytics have helped drive our decisions, our digital marketing decisions, but also the relationship that we have with our customer. Digital hospitality is understanding that we care so much about the people that come into our restaurant. We have to care the same way about the digital person that experiences us, whether it's through Facebook, whether it's through Instagram DM, whether it's through Twitter. That's a customer. And how do we take care of that customer, especially now with third party? We have Uber Eats and Postmates and Grubhub. So people are ordering our barbecue because they're searching for barbecue within our area. We need to do the best job we possible on site because that's going to get delivered to them. How do we make that experience a little bit better? Yelp helps us do that by responding to those reviews, by updating our photos. I can't tell you, there's a feature on Yelp they rolled out a long time. It was $25 a month. I told more business owners, more restaurant owners than they're probably so sick of me. It's the best $25 you ever spend. I don't know how much it is now, but nonetheless, put the featured photos, the photos that you want to have on there, the photos that you choose to have on DoorDash, put those on your Yelp page, and you'll see the power of how many people are looking at those photos, how many people are calling and asking for directions, how many people directly order from your website. Those are powerful tools when you're living and building a digital restaurant. We actually have an opportunity right now to open up a ghost kitchen in the city of San Diego, which is about 13 miles away from our restaurant, based off of a company that found us by doing a Google search on Yelp reviews. So because we have 2,300 4.5-star reviews on Yelp, they thought that we would be an interesting brand, an exciting brand to bring into this ghost kitchen concept. And we're really excited. We're going to be opening that up in the next month or so. So we're going to establish a Yelp page for our ghost kitchen. We're going to work to improve our reviews. And it's just a really exciting time to be in the hospitality space.
We're going to claim it?
We're going to claim it.
All right, good.
We're going to claim it.
We're going to feature photos?
We're going to feature photos. You better believe it.